Good morning, Reynolds students and staff. This is Niall here for another edition of WRSN.
Good morning, Niall. Katie here, everyone, and we will have news for this week of March 10th, 2014.
First off in the news, this month grade 3 and 4 students will be taking a new kind of test. It's called the Smarter Balance Assessment. It's a new type of test because it will be taken on the computer.
We want all students to do their best here at Reynolds, and we thought it would be good to remind students that a good night's sleep and healthy breakfast in the morning is a great way to get your mind and body ready for the school day. This is also a great way to make sure that you are able to do your best during assessments.
That's a great point, Katie. Also in the news, the chain reaction of kindness has been going great, and we've noticed a difference already. Here are some of the links that we've been made from various classes around the school.
Victor helped a friend find her journal in one of the kindergarten classes. Dario recognized his classmate Anthony in Miss Fitchman's class as being a bucket filler, and Mrs. Madrazo included some friends in Mrs. Bush's class to indoor recess activity.
Maya, Catherine, and Shashir took care of a friend who had a cut by themselves out at recess. Abby in first grade noticed that one of her classmates tried really hard during a lesson in Mrs. Corso's classroom. Nicholas in Mrs. Keener's class was recognized by a friend on his bus because he always asked someone to sit next to him on the bus.
Keep up the great work with kind words and deeds, Anna Reynolds. We will share more links in the chain in a few weeks.
You may notice that we have some really chilly temperatures in our region this winter. We thought it would be interesting to look at the science behind it, to see what's causing the shivering cold weather we experienced.
Let's take a look at what causes this weather pattern.
That's where extreme cold weather from Canada has moved as far south as Georgia. The worst cold wave in 20 years followed a weekend of heavy snow that fell from Illinois and Indiana to Massachusetts. Over 3,000 airline flights were canceled across the United States, with the temperatures hovering near zero or lower. The record low temperatures came with bitter wind chill conditions that shut down businesses and schools throughout the Midwest and Northeast.
20 below, 30 below, 40 below. Of course, when you get that much, probably doesn't make a lot of difference.
This unusual weather pattern is called a polar vortex. That is a low-pressure weather system in Canada that flows from west to east, but runs into a high-pressure system that pushes the cold air flow into the United States.
I sure hope March brings with it some warmer temperatures.
I agree, Katie. In next week's show, Mrs. Gagliardi will be making a special treat using very healthy ingredients in honor of St. Patrick's Day. We can't tell you what she's making because it's a surprise.
And with that, that's going to be it for this week's show. Have a great week, everyone, and remember to follow the ABCs of Reynolds Respect. A is for always do your best.
B is for be respectful and be safe.
C is care for yourself and others.
Bye.